judges, and my dear friends. My name is Akash Sarwar, and on the occasion of the World Water Day, Gyan Bharati Vidyapeeth organizes a PPT presentation competition. Let us start with our first contestant, Aniket Kumar Misra.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Aniket Kumar Mishra from class 8A. Today I am here to tell a short speech on World Water Day. Today we are gathered here to talk about the most essential element of life, water. It is something that we often take granted, but without it, life doesn't exist. However, despite its importance, we are facing severe challenges that are related to water scarcity and pollution. It's time now we can understand why water is crucial and how can we protect this invaluable resource. Now I am moving to the next slide. Importance of water. Water is life. It is essential for human survival, agriculture and ecosystem. Water plays a vital role in maintaining health, sanitation and ecosystem. Without clean and sufficient water, societies cannot thrive. Now I am moving to the next slide. Global water challenge. But water is not available equally to everyone. Many regions suffer from water scarcity due to climate change and mismanagement. Pollution further worsen this situation. Making clean water is a luxury of millions. We must recognize these challenges and act immediately. Now I am moving to the next slide. Sustainable solutions. Thankfully, solutions exist. Conservation at an individual, improved infrastructure and awareness can help us to manage water efficiently. And we must take responsibilities in water saving and preventing pollution. Now I am moving to the next slide. Role of individuals and organizations. Governments, businesses and industries must collaborate by implementing of sustainable practices that can reduce wastage by policies can ensure equitable distribution. Every effort counts. Now I am moving to the next slide. Call to action. We must act today and use water wisely. Advocate for better policies and educate others. Every drop we save contribute to a better future for all. Now I am moving to the next slide. Let's pledge to protect our water resource and save, and because together we can save every drop and make our future better. Thank you.
Our next participant is Sikandar Gabiradi from class 9.
Imagine waking up one day when there's no safe water to drink, not to work, and not to do anything. Sounds scary, right? If we didn't take action today, it may be here. So at first, let us know how to conserve water. Water is essential for cooking, drinking, and even cleaning. Drinking essential water maintains us to be healthy. Cooking, it is necessary for us to cook food with the help of water. Cleaning, to clean households, schools, and other industrial places, we must use water to clean. Moving to next slide. Water in industries and power generation. In industries, water utilizes for manufacture process and cooling system. Moving to next slide. Water for recreation and leisure. Recreation used for swimming, boating and other water-based activities. Leisure provides opportunity for relaxation and enjoyment. Now moving to next slide is the importance of water for healthy ecosystems. Habitat supports a wide range for animal, plants and even for us humans. Biodiversity. It is essential for maintaining ecological balance in ecosystem. Functions crucial role for water purification, flood control and nutrition cycling. Now moving to next slide is challenges in water conservation. Overuse, increasing demand leading to water scarcity in many regions. Pollution, contamination of water sources affecting quality and availability. Then the climate change, altering precipitation pattern and exacerbating water related challenges. Now moving into next slide is the strategies for water conservation. For water conservation, we should reduce consumption, that is encourage efficient water using in household and industries. We should reuse and recycle water by implement system for grey water recycling and rainwater harvesting. Now moving to next slide is conclusion. So at last I should like to call to action. I should like to tell everybody to be aware. It's important that we put collective action to conserve water, protect an environment and ensure a sustainable future for all. Empowerment. Each individual has the power to make a difference through simple daily actions and advocacy for water conservation. Collaboration. By making together across community, industries, government companies, we can address the water crisis and build a more resilient and water secure world. Thank you.
Good speech by Sikandar Khalil. Our last but not the least participant is Rishikant Trivedi from class 20.
Good afternoon, respected teachers, respected judges, and all my dear friends. Myself, Rishikant Trivedi, and I read in class 10A. Today, I am going to discuss about a resource without which life could not be sustained: water. Water for drinking and preparing food and other as well as industrial use. We can save water for the many of well as such things. The importance of water. Our body weight is contain about 60% of water. Water regulates our body temperature as well as deep cleans our body also. So, moving on to the second slide. The threats to our water supply: overuse, pollution and reconsumption. Nowadays, you can see that water is very dirty. How? You can see at the many local or distress area, most of the time, people throw garbages and many as things in water. So, we have to maintain that thing. We can clean water. So, moving on to the second slide. How to save water? As written over here, take shorter shower. The average shower of 5 gallons. We can save waters. But if we don't save the waters, our future generation may have in threats. So, moving on to the second slide. How to save water in the garden? Water in lawn garden early in the morning or everything to reduce evaporation. So, we have to maintain our plants, trees and everything in houses. We have planted, what can I say, as neem or any plants. It also provides oxygen to us. So, we have to maintain environment and as well as our trees also. Moving on to the second slide is saving water in business. In industrial use as well, as written when install low flow fluctuates and toilets. Have you ever seen through rainwater harvesting, we can pass the electricity. So water is also important in industrial use as well as tourism. Fix leaky pipes promptly. If we don't fix the leaky pipes, water may reduce from their places. So we can't consume the water as well as clean water. That can be another threat to us. So moving on to the second slide. The future of water. Nowadays, at the year of 2025, more than 200 millions of water were consumed at Bhakra Nangal Dam and also as Kolkata. So, as well as can I say that drinking water is shared resource which is vital for our life and also as well animals and humans use. Technological advancement of offer solution. If we have to study, water is also requirement for our daily health. So we have to also maintain water for technological usage. So moving on to the second slide. Conclusion. We have the power to change the water from dirty to clean water. If we don't reconsumption and do not maintain our water daily life, we can threaten to our life. Together we can make a difference from dirty to clear water. Am I right? Yes. So moving on to the last. Okay. Thank you. I hope that you remember my counts, and cleaning water is very essential for nowadays. Nowadays you can see that garbages and very things that. So we can consume water from dirty to clean water. I hope you remember my count. Thank you.
Now we are come to the end of our competition. Now I like to call judges onto the stage to declare the winner.
Good afternoon everyone. The winner is Rishikant Trivedi. Congratulations. Please come over here.